Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And ICICI Bank's Amazon Pay card, HDFC Bank's Swiggy card, and Axis Bank's Flipkart card. Now, all these three cards have one thing in common, and that is the cashback. All these three cards can provide you a ton of cashback if you are just entering your credit card world. And let me talk about the Amazon Pay card first, because this is the most issued card, most popular card from ICICI Bank, which is right now live in circulation. This card, when it came, it was just fire because of the amount of traffic and credit card applications Amazon and ICICI brought together with this card. So the why it is famous, because this is a lifetime free card, so you don't have to pay any annual or joining charges. And anytime you do a transaction on Amazon and you are a Prime member, you get 5% for shopping. That is the best thing about this. And there is no limitation on the cashback. So let's say you spend 10 lakh rupees on Amazon on a month, you straight away get 50,000 cashback if you are a Prime member. Now your card will get blocked. That's a totally different set of issues which it brings together, because Amazon will flag it, ICICI will flag it, they'll block your accounts and everything. So you should not spend 10 lakh rupees on this card. It is an entry level card. However, it is an invite only card. That is the first thing. So on your Amazon app, you have to have that invite, and then you can get this card. Second thing, you get some benefits with this card as well. Example, you get approximately 2,500 rupees worth of benefits. First is you get a 1 month Easy Diner Prime membership. You get these following rewards, as you can see, like Amazon shopping, you get 100% up to rupees 200 with the star mark. What is the star mark? We can see over here below. Then postpaid bill 25% up to rupees 400 only for Prime. Broadband bill 25% up to rupees 550. Prepaid recharges 50% up to rupees 50. 10% back on up to rupees 250 on gas cylinder for twice applicable. Postpaid recharges 25% back up to rupees 500. DTH recharges 25% back up to rupees 250 for Prime members. Electricity bill 20% back up to rupees 100. And 1 month of Easy Diner Prime membership. So as of now, you can see like the account which I'm logged in, I have not been given option to apply, but here are the more terms of conditions. So for Prime members, the welcome offer is worth 2,500, and you get 100% up to rupees 200 on Amazon shopping for non-EMI transactions on minimum transaction of rupees 750. So this is the star mark basically. Amazon gift coupon 50% back up to rupees 50 on prepaid mobile on minimum transaction of 199, 25% on postpaid bill payment of 500, 25% on postpaid bill payment of rupees 400, 20% back on up to rupees 100 on electricity bill valued at rupees 7 when you pay over 700, 20% back up to rupees 250 on DTH, 10% back up to rupees 250 on gas cylinder, that is twice applicable. And these are the two coupons, and 25% back up to rupees 550 on broadband. So these are the options for the Prime members. For non-Prime members, the amount of cashback reduces, and this you can see over here. So it is recommended that you get the Prime membership if you are getting this card. And the second thing is, if you want a Prime membership, then there is a way where you can get it free with the RuPay Select card. So first take a RuPay Select card, then take this card, and you will get these benefits. Apart from that, you get an Amazon Prime voucher of rupees 500 as well, which is there, and it depends on the duration of the your thing. So apart from that, is there any other benefit with this? So more or less no. The only good benefit is the rewards never expire, unlimited earnings, surcharge waiver on fuel purchases, and no annual fee. Really delights on Zomato dining and on Easy Diner. You get 1% on all other purchases, as you can see over here, and you get rewarded for payments on 100 plus purchase. That is 2%. For non-prime members, it reduces to 3%. So the maximum you can get is 5%. So for 1 lakh rupees spent, you get 5,000. This is same as SBI's cashback card, where you can spend anything in online and you get similar like 5,000 rupees cashback. It is, but for this card you have to spend on Amazon to get the benefits. So this was the first card we just discussed. There are no other benefits on this, and you should be a Prime member if you are interested in this card. Otherwise, your cashback eligibility just down. So become a Prime member. There are a lot of options. You can get it for free, and you should get it if for free only. Apart from that, a salaried individual with a monthly income of 20,000 rupees can get this card. A self-employed individual can get this with a annual ITR of 3.6 lakh. And other document, you need identity address proof. However, a lot of people don't get the option to apply because they don't get the invite in the ICICI app. So that is the only limitation to apply for this card. And a lot of people have their accounts blocked because they did a lot of transactions on Amazon, and Amazon and ICICI flagged it and it was blocked. Now coming to the second card, which is being offered zero joining fees as of now. However, this has a annual fees of 500 plus GST. So I'll put a link in the description where you can apply and get this for zero joining fees as of now. But this card has recently been devalued, and so what are the features, the changes in features, the latest one. So now because they have discontinued the Myntra Kotak card, so this card effectively fills its shoes, and you can get a cashback of 7.5% on Myntra, and maximum of 4,000 per quarter is what you can get. So basically, you spend 60,000 in a quarter on Myntra, you get 4,000 cashback in maximum in a quarter. You continue to earn 5% cashback on Myntra and Flipkart and Cleartrip. Our maximum cashback which can be earned in a statement is 4,000 on Flipkart and 4,000 on Cleartrip. So that's 80,000 on Flipkart in a quarter. If you spend, you get 4,000 rupees in cashback, and for 80,000 on Cleartrip, you get 4,000 in cashback on Cleartrip. Apart from that, there is a thing division which you can see over here, and this is the base of this card. Welcome benefits has been reduced to a Flipkart voucher worth INR 250 as compared to the 500 one, but initially the joining fees was being lowered for 590 rupees. Now it is not there. The there is a spend exclusion like telecom utility, rent, wallet load. They now identify that with the spend category rather than the MCC. And excluded spend will include utility, telecom, education, rent, wallet load, government services, insurance, gold and jewelry, fuel, financial institution, cash, advances and repayment. Spend-based fee waiver is available, and however, rent and wallet are not included in that. So in that sense, if you are into the Myntra, Cleartrip and Flipkart ecosystem, this is a decent card. It's being offered for joining fees as zero. You get only if you are paying for the card, you can welcome benefit of 250 is given. Otherwise, you are not eligible for that. All the cards will get a 50% off up to rupees 100 for the first time Swiggy users. This is the good benefit about it. Then you have something called unlimited 4% cashback on preferred merchants. So what is the preferred merchants? They are Cultfit, PVR, Swiggy and Uber. So Uber and Swiggy, if you need 4% cashback, unlimited that is, you can use this card. And unlimited 1% cashback on other categories. Cashback is directly credited into the statement. You get fuel surcharge waiver as well for 1% between 400 and 4,000. Maximum benefit is up to rupees 400. Dining delights option you get, that's very less. And Wednesday delight you get 15% on Make My Trip, flights and hotels, 10% off via Swiggy and 10% off on Tira. So based on the benefits, if you're in the ecosystem for Myntra, Cleartrip and Flipkart, this card will make sense to you. However, again, the merchants are very specific, and it was common with the Amazon ICICI Pay card, but people do spend a lot on Flipkart and Amazon, and here is the reason why these cards will make a lot of sense for people who are primarily there for Amazon and Flipkart. So for Amazon, you get the Amazon Pay ICICI card. For Flipkart, you get the Flipkart card. And finally, we talk about the best card out of this, which is your HDFC Bank Swiggy. Now, this card is being issued lifetime free, left, right, and center. You should definitely consider getting this card if you are if you want it, because most of the there is a lot of chance that it will be converted to lifetime free if your usage is good, and by writing a mail if it is not being issued to you lifetime free at the initial part. You get 10% cashback on Swiggy applications, that is on food ordering, Instamart, Dine Out, and Genie. That is good. The amount of cashback you can get is 1500 per billing cycle on this. However, money wallet, liquor, minis, and any other category decided later will not get any cashback. So if you spend 15,000 on this card on Swiggy's application, you get 1500 cashback. You get 5% cashback on online spends across MCCs of eligible MCCs. So these are the eligible MCCs. So you get Amazon, Flipkart. If you spend, you get 5% cashback, which covers both your Flipkart and Amazon Pay card. So that is the thing about this. Now, with MCC 5411 Amazon Flipkart Grocery, you get 5% for discount stores. Amazon Flipkart, Amazon Meesho, and AJIO, you get similar like 5%. Online pet store, local cab, personal care. So most of the online categories are included in this card. And again, you get 1500 per billing cycle for 5%. So that means you need to spend 30,000 to get the 15,000 cashback. And for the 1% cashback, it is for everything else, including offline, but you can't spend on a fuel, rent, EMI, prepaid, gift wallet, jewelry, government-related spend. However, the capping is 500, so you have to spend 50,000 to get the 500 cashback. So for most of the people who wants to join in on the cashback space, this is a very good option because it covers more or less everything. Moreover, the online MCCs which are there, it covers a wide range of websites, wide range of MCCs for you to get this benefit. Apart from that, complimentary Swiggy One membership for 3 months is there, and you get cashback in the statement credit in the next month whenever you use this card. What else? What are the benefits do you get? Not a lot, but you get golf benefits if you have the MasterCard World program. As you can see over here, like 12 complimentary rounds of green fee waiver and 12 lessons. 4 complimentary round of green fee and 12 lessons in a year. Otherwise discounted 50% green. So because it's on MasterCard platform, you get this benefit. What about the eligibility? So you have to have net monthly income of more than 15,000 if you are salaried, 6 lakh or more for ITR if you are self-employed, and between 21 and 60 years. Fees and charges is 500 plus tax charges, and spend to waiver is 2 lakh rupees. So when we compare the three cards side by side, it does look like HDFC wins this race. Flipkart and Amazon are in the middle, but why Amazon Pay shines is the unlimited cashback you can get on, and you can get a lot of transaction on Amazon. So that is why Amazon Pay card will make a lot more sense for people who transact mainly on Amazon, and that is why it is right now, in my opinion, is the best card. However, if your spends are somewhere around 3,000 and not more than that, then consider this Swiggy card in your kitty. If your spends are around on Flipkart, then again, if it is somewhere around 80,000 a quarter, then Flipkart card will make sense. Otherwise, HDFC will suffice if it is 30,000 per month for the 5% cash. So guys, I hope this video have cleared your doubts regarding which card to go for out of these three. Now, officially speaking, ICICI Amazon Pay is lifetime free. Flipkart is being offered zero joining fees and then 500 lifetime free, 500 annual fees. And HDFC Swiggy has 500 joining and 500 annual fee. But if you can get your hand on HDFC Swiggy card as a lifetime free card, either in the initial phase or at the later part, through a mail and through their customer care, that is the best card as of now. But it totally depends on your spend. If your spends are high on Amazon, then Amazon Pay card will be your go-to card for the higher, like over the limit transaction. And if you are stuck to the Flipkart space, you are stuck to the Access Flipkart card. If you want best of both world, you get the HDFC Swiggy card. So guys, I hope this video has helped you, and if it did, then do subscribe to the channel. This is our Professor Cardz English channel, and apart from this, we have an Hindi channel as well, where we have around 8,940 plus subscribers. We have membership videos there as well, which you can see. These are a compilation of videos which I think everyone should know about, at least if they are joining their credit card journey. And some important videos like credit card to bank account, how to book Marriott rooms for friends and family, how to use voucher for discounted booking. These are some important videos which you should consider, apart from the complaint to RBI and other videos and stuff. So that will help you out in your journey towards the future. Plus, you get access to the WhatsApp group, which is there for the members. And if you have any doubt, we can have a 15 minutes of chat with me because of the members. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. We will reach 32,000 subscribers on this channel very soon. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye. See you.